guys, today what we're going to be doing is taking a look at something called the Alka Seltzer lab. It's a weathering rates lab, and what I'm going to do here is kind of videotape and demonstrate this for you so that you can do it remotely if you need to, that's what we're up to. So let's get started. What we're going to look at first is surface area and how changing the surface area of a rock can change the weathering rate of that rock. Now, I'm not going to actually dissolve a rock today. We're going to dissolve something much more, something that dissolves much more quickly. We're going to use an Alka Seltzer tablet. Basically, these Alka Seltzer tablets dissolve in water very quickly. It's an antacid tablet. And so what I've got here is 300 milliliters of water in a beaker. I hope you can see that okay. And we're going to place a whole Alka Seltzer tablet into the beaker and let that dissolve. And then what I'm going to do is I've crushed up on a piece of paper here. I don't know if you can see that, but I've taken a tablet and actually crushed it or powdered it. And we're going to dump that in afterwards and test that and see how that goes. And we'll compare the two times to see if a whole tablet or if the crushed tablet time is different. Now you might have a hypothesis already in mind as to what is going to happen with that. And then lastly, we're going to incorporate some heat. I'm going to bring over some hot water that I've got heating up over here on a hot plate right now, and we'll see how a crushed tablet behaves in the hot water. That'll be the last thing that we test. All right, so let's do this. It's a short lab. I am going to place it in, so take your cell phone or a timer at home or a watch or whatever you have. I want you to time it, and I want you to record your own time. I'm going to record my own time here too, so I have an answer key, but I want you to do this on your own, and then we'll check it. All right, on your mark, get set, and go. Timer has started for the full tablet, and there it is. Got some good dissolving action going. I'm gonna go check on my water over here, my hot water. Got a great family recipe for hot water. I can't share the secret recipe, but boy, it is good. All right, we are dissolving, and it's only until you can't see the tablet really as a whole anymore. There'll still be a few fizzing bubbles, but once the tablet's pretty much gone, which is right about now. Stop your timers. Okay, so record that in the data table in the lab where it says cold water whole tablet. All right, now we're gonna discard this, bring in some fresh Saratoga room temperature tap water. I say it's cold, it's really room temperature tap water. It's just not heated. Okay, and let's start the second one, reset my timer, and then as soon as I dump this in, I'll start my timer. Are you ready? Reset your timers. Mark, get set, and we're gonna test for this one. Here we go. The powdered one goes in. Much more aggressive bubbling there. The dissolve rate certainly looks like it's happening much more rapidly. And our timers are going. Finish this out. And I would say that is done. That is done. Stop your timers. And record the time that you got for the crushed tablet. Appeared to be much more rapid of a reaction there. So, with the whole tablet, we had less total exterior surface area. And then once we crushed up the whole tablet, each time we break it into another piece, we increase surface area, the area of the tablet that will actually touch the water. Okay, so you saw that with the increased surface area, the dissolve rate was much more rapid. Dissolved more quickly, took less time. All right. So that works well. Okay, I'm getting this ready for our hot water. The Leonard famous recipe for hot water. Okay, since I'm going to be using hot water, safety goggles. All right. The old red kettle. We're gonna put this up to 300 milliliters of delicious hot Leonard water there. And now, get your timers ready because we are going to drop in a powdered tablet into the hot water. And it's gonna go, well, we'll see what it's gonna go, but get those timers ready. Here we go. Mark, get set, and in we go. Whoa. And done. That's it. Super quick. All right, so now you saw how changing the temperature of the water affects the weathering rate. It certainly did increase it. All right, record those times. If you messed up the times or you didn't get them, watch the video again and you can get those times. And then fill out the rest of the lab as best you can with the information that you got from that. All right, take care. See you soon.